half of that counter is just a big pile of lettuce. I'm just like crying. You see a little bit of pink in the sky up there. Got a lot of produce this week. We still have some in there, and I'm trying not to get overwhelmed by produce. But I guess my nerves are fragile right now, and I'm feeling like it's getting harder to breathe. So I'm trying to calm down and not get lightheaded, because I'm getting lightheaded right now. But I don't know if maybe I just need to eat something. So I think I'm going to take a break from all the produce right here. This sounds so stupid. I should not be getting freaked out and overwhelmed, but I am. It's part of just how I am. And I'm gonna sit down for a minute and, I don't know, drink a smoothie. I gotta plan out exactly what I'm gonna do, or else I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna get some smoothie, I'm gonna sit down, and I'm gonna drink it. And in a few minutes, I'm gonna come back in here, and I'm gonna try to keep washing things and setting them out, and trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with all of it. Because currently, half of that counter is just a big pile of lettuce. Just a bunch of lettuce. Found that the older an onion is, the more it burns my eyes. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to be sweet onions. Maybe they're white onions, they might be. My eyes are like on fire. I'm just like crying. So I had to put them away from me while I cut the other vegetables. Someone understand, I want so much more than they've got. And boil, boil, boil.
What?
I'm just telling the water to boil. Boil, 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 boil.
Boil!
Boil!
Boil water, listen to me.
Oh, it's listening to you, it's boiling.
No.
Yeah, it's starting to boil. You'll see.
Give it to me.
Here's where she meets Prince Charming. Good, I'm so happy. Whoops. look rough right now, for real. I'm really tired, honestly. I knew it was gonna be a lot of work doing soup, but we got so many vegetables today. I needed to get rid of a lot of them really quickly. So with the soup, I made it like as much as I possibly could so that after it's all done, cooled off, I can put a bunch in a bunch of freezer bags, put it in the freezer, and there'll be a bunch of soup up there. It's just vegetable soup, but you can like add meat to it or whatever. And I'm just feeling real weak right now. I just ate a whole bunch of leftover spaghetti from a few days ago and an apple, and I need to drink some water. Tobias has just been playing in the stairwell and upstairs for the past like few hours. Oh, gosh. I feel like I just need to go to sleep. How was it?
I'm wet.
I'm not gonna hit you. Not gonna hit you.
What do you do if I actually punched your camera? What if I did it on purpose?
If you did it on purpose, I'd divorce you. We're gonna go to the fair tonight. Yeah. We will.
Barely can see. Thought I had a splinter.
Uh-oh.
very good.
I know.
Who doesn't like orange juice?
Probably people don't like fruit.
Or people
Like Annabelle.
have-
Or wait, no, different.
Yeah, who likes Annabelle? She's the one who doesn't eat fruit.
The fashion chick?